Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we have a special NFT project to talk about, Bulls and Ape project. This will be minted in the next 12 days and it has got the potential to become one of the biggest NFTs in the industry. I'm going to go in great detail today and show you exactly why I feel that this has got the potential to make it big. In today's video, I'm going to show you what this project is about, who are the people behind it, and what their roadmap is. Now, guys, without further ado, if you're not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss many of my videos. Bulls and Ape project, a generative NFT collection with a money back guarantee. You have their Discords and their Twitter. Guys, if you have not followed them on Discord and on Twitter, I highly suggest you go over there and follow them right now, because Discord is the only place that you get reliable information about this NFT or any other NFT for that matter. The Twitter is the place that you'll get continuous updates regarding what is happening in this project. So guys, these are the only two places that you'll get reliable information about Bulls and Apes project. So what is this project about? The Bulls and Ape project is a generative 3D NFT project that aims to transform the industry by setting a new standard for what NFT collectors should expect and demand. We start with de-risking the NFT, buying experience for you. We stand behind our products and will back them with the industry-changing 6-month money-back guarantee. I have not come across any NFT till now, and I've done a lot of reviews that are available on my channel, The Educational Network, but I've never seen a strategy that is being implemented, and that is one of the reasons why I feel this NFT has got the potential to scale to new heights and compete with the big names in the industry such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club and Meta Avatars. They're building it right into the smart contracts, and since the project is fully funded by their founders, they can lock up the mint proceeds until they know they're thrilled to own their own product. The next thing what they're doing is they have a full docs team of founders with incredible successful track record. And that is one of the major elements that makes a particular project successful, when you have experienced individuals running the show. And they double down by tokenizing their NFTs so that they can earn exclusive tokens by simply holding them in their wallet to be used for new mints and passes to IRL events and future metaverse purchases. And that is the second most important element, because if you own an NFT and you just keep an NFT, it does not give you anything in return. But if you have an NFT that creates a passive income for you continuously, no matter how small or how big it is, but it is giving you a chance and a return on what you own. And successful docs founders, fantastic art backed by a rock solid 6-month money back guarantee, and that is the reason they believe and expect the NFT collectors to move forward and actually get hold of these NFT. Now, looking at the team, guys, and that is one of the most important elements that you got to look out for before you invest in any NFT, the team. If you look at the big names in the industry, either be Invisible Friends or Beans, Meta Avatars, Bored Ape Yacht Club, you will clearly see that the individuals of these projects that they've developed are people that have a lot of experience and understand what they're doing and understand what the NFT space is all about. And combining that knowledge and combining all those elements together, they're able to build something that is successful and scalable at the same time. And that is the reason why the CEO and co-founder Anthony, who is an operational and technological leader with almost 20 years of experience driving broad culture change, sharp business intelligence, strategic transformation programs, and technology road mapping, and the other two main founders are Manny and Gilmore, and they worked on mobile games and software development and marketing for most of their adult life. And the last project they co-founded had an incredible successful exit, is now part of a $1.5 billion enterprise. So you can clearly see the amount of experience that they're bringing onto the table, and that is one of the reasons they'll be able to scale this project to new heights. From the vision and obviously what they will deliver and what is coming up and what is coming soon, all of these elements are scaled out, are chalked out, are written down, are clearly known and displayed, and they are bringing all these elements together to ensure that they can actually get their NFT to a level that no other NFT has reached. And looking at the NFT themselves, one of the major things that I feel when I look at these NFTs, the fact that every single piece of NFT, there is so much creativity that's gone into creating it, and the soul that has been given into each NFT is absolutely incredible. The artist has done a wonderful job to ensure that every NFT is unique, it's creative, and has got an edge over the other. And that is the reason why you have successful NFTs when every NFT is unique. and every NFT is rare in its own rights. And now looking at the roadmap, which is the foundation upon which a particular project is built, and the roadmap is worthy of its name. Looking at the roadmap of big NFTs in the industry, you'll clearly see that the roadmap needs to be very precise, but it needs to be very clear, it needs to be very direct, it needs to show exactly what the plan is and what they want to carry out. And looking at the first quarter, you can clearly see they understand what they need to do and how they need to do it, either be money back guarantees or the physical card cane prototyping. And the second quarter, either be the minting or the introducing or the methane token that they're bringing out, or the power of the 500 super rare god bulls. Every single element is thought out and chalked out, and they're doing it in such a manner that they can actually scale this to heights that no other NFT can actually reach. And giving this information and providing this information to their NFT holders and to future NFT enthusiasts, they're able to clearly show what they have in mind, and they are bringing this to the community of the NFTs, and they're doing it in a wonderful way. They have a backstory as well, which I want to show you, and I feel that is one of the most important elements that you need to understand before you actually invest in any NFT. And that is the fact that they have a full background story, and having a background story enables and helps NFTs to create multiple elements in their NFT, either be animations, merchandise, movies. They can actually connect individuals to what they want to do, from the chapter 1 Genesis to the chapter 2 of Guilds and Teens to chapter 4 of Order and Chaos, to the fact that they have understood exactly what needs to be done. They're bringing out something that is very unique. So guys, if you're thinking about investing in a particular NFT, you got to remember one major thing, that I am not a financial advisor, and you need to do your own due diligence before investing. And guys, never invest more than you're willing to lose. And remember, these NFTs and these projects are in the thousands. So you need to select a particular project that has the potential to actually give you a passive income. And that is the reason why I am creating these amazing videos for you guys. So you can head over to my channel, The Educational Network, and check them out, and leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think of these videos so I can accordingly make them better for you. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share these videos with your friends and with your family so more people can actually find out about Bulls and Apes project. Until our next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.